Hey guys, it's DJ Killer _ Boss 379, and we have came into a storm. Yeah, it is hail everywhere.
So let me open the door.
Okay.
Come here.
Okay, guys, my grandpa's open.
Videotape
Oh!
it. Hey, videotape it.
Okay, guys, this is the hail. It's ice, basically. Okay, close the door back. Okay, guys.
It's going that way.
Y'all okay over there?
It's hitting our air conditioner. Everything thunder.
Do you see the hail?
My dog. Let's hope it doesn't break the windows.
This hail over here is
We're
huge.
real scared. I'm really scared. It's just thunder.
It must have come from your way then, because the hail over here is ridiculous.
It's huge hail. It's like dry ice. It's like huge hail. Everywhere. All over the carpet. All near the charcoal bag.
So it's
Everywhere.
nowhere.
There are people driving. All that lightning.
Okay, good. So I'm going to get my car in a little bit. All right,
Wow.
what time did you want me to come?
My dog. Come here,
Max.
Max.
Bring her back.
Here, buddy. My dog's scared to
All right, well,
death.
let me know. Okay, just let me know. All right, bye.
Guys, we're real scared here. It's hitting our air conditioner. We're hoping it doesn't break the windows.
Well, I guess they'll call me back.
It's windy. It's nasty. Everything's
Ooh, Lord.
all of that. Look at all those cars over there. They're not that many, but hey. All our chairs are wet already. It's been like, what, 5 minutes? And all this hail on our carpet. Guys, I'll supersize it. Look at all that hail. That huge chunk right there. Excuse me.
Oh,
Mom?
Max's thing is out there.
Where? What? Oh.
Go get it.
Huh? No.
Come on, go get
Nope.
it. Max's toy is
No,
outside.
nope. He has a bone. He has a bone. He's okay. The toy blows away? Okay. I'm not going out there. Fine.
No, we can wait.
No, it's okay. I'll go get it.
Okay, Max.
It's okay, Mom. I can get it. I'll get it. No, I want to go get it.
No.
Why?
Oh.
Okay, guys. It's real dark in here. I will check in with you later. Okay, guys, welcome back. It just